Hello students. Students, last lecture we start the new topic in your biochemistry. It's your enzyme. Okay, just flashback what we was discussing in a last lecture. Okay, first of all we discussing in that the what is the history of the enzyme. The term is enzyme first is a coined by Friedrich Kuhn in 1878. Okay, in 1878 the Kuhn was the published the first time in concept of enzyme. The at that time they have to coin that the particularly enzyme is your the biological catalyst had previous has been called as a fermenter and fermenter. After that the particularly the lots of scientists they having a enumerate they was enumerate like this condition of your the enzyme. Okay, the last lecture we also discussing in that the what is the meaning of your the enzyme is a simply the biological catalyst. Enzyme is simply biological catalyst. They having a speed up or accelerate the biochemical reaction. That is a called as a biocatalyst. Biocatalyst. Okay, the many enzyme is a three-dimensional structure. Means the tertiary protein. Means you are the tertiary protein, and some is a non-proteinous material, but they having a act like a enzyme. Okay, the example is your the ribosome. Okay, now the particularly structure of your enzyme in that the particularly two means one structure that's your active site. What is the meaning of active site? Okay, active site is a particularly reason they having a substrate bind to the active site and show the or accelerate the pharmacologic accelerate the biochemical reaction. Okay, the active site is there the two side. First one is your the binding site and another one is your the catalytic site. Okay, what is the meaning of the binding site? Binding site means simply the material which the substrate they having a bind on a active sites. Okay, the the material which having a first of all its ability to bind this particularly sites. Okay, that's your the binding site. After the binding of your substrate on the surface of your the enzyme, there is a formation of the cascade, and the next one is your the it's called as a catalytic side. And catalytic side at that time the formation of complex the air are the enhance the biochemical reaction. That is the your the catalytic sites. Okay, the last lecture we also discussing in that the cofactor. The cofactor is a classified into the two types: organic cofactor and inorganic cofactor. Inorganic cofactor means the inorganic molecule required for the catalyst of this reaction. It's called as a inorganic. Organic means the organic molecule required to the proper activity of enzyme. That is your the organic cofactor. The organic cofactor we was seen in that the also classified into the two types. First one is your the prosthetic group and another one is your the coenzyme. Okay, last lecture we was also discussing in there the characteristic of your enzyme. Okay, you very well known about it. Enzyme, the first and prime characteristic, they having a speed up the reaction, they having a accelerate the reaction. Okay, the enzyme second one, enzyme does not interfere in your the substrate molecule as well as the product. Okay, they having a only accelerate the rate of biochemical reaction. Also discussing in there the enzyme is your the highly specific action. Okay, they having kindly bind to the substrate and they having show the highly accelerate the reaction. Enzyme is also the sensitive material because they having a proteinous in nature. They having a proteinous in nature and they having a sensitive because of the if if the change in a pH, change in a temperature, change in a substrate concentration, there has to the change of its mechanism or its side. Okay, hence the particularly temperature जैसे ही increase होता है there is a start the denaturation of protein. Tertiary protein का denaturation होना start हो जाता है. Then the particularly last lecture is also discussing that the particularly nomenclature of enzyme. Nomenclature which was the particularly the two way. First one is your the systematically and another one is your the in suffix the ase is a attaching in there. Okay, like is the name of your the maltase. The lots of example we was to study in a last lecture. Okay, today we are start the next topic in that the enzyme is your the classification of enzyme. Classification of enzyme. What is a classification of enzyme? You very well known about it. If the any reaction completed, there is a needed the enzyme. Because of the enzyme they having a convert one form to another form. Okay, and this enzyme which having the responsible to carry the lots of reaction, like is your the oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, transferase, lysis, isomerase, like ligases. The lots of reaction is a producing in there. Okay, oxidation reduction भी होता है, हाइड्रोलिसिस भी होता है, फिर लाइसिस भी होता है, ब्रेकडाउन भी होता है, आइसोमराइजेशन होता है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है. दैट्स अ होल ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन बाय कैरी बाय दिस एंजाइम. Okay, and in nomenclature we was discussing in there the some substrate as well as the enzyme, there is a adding the suffix of your the ASE. It's adding the ASE. Okay, and that is your the enzyme. And this classification was coined of your the international unit of your the biochemistry. International unit of this biochemistry, they was particularly enumerate the 6 classes on the basis of this reaction. Enumerate the 6 classes on the basis of your the on the basis of this particularly reaction takes place by your the enzyme, like is your the oxidoreductase, transferase. Okay, then the hydrolysis, lysis, isomerization, and your the ligases. That's this 6 classes they have to including in this particularly international unit of biochemistry classification. Okay, simply OTHLIL, OTHLIL. OTHLIL means O stand for oxaloreductase or oxidoreductase, T stand for the transferase, H stand for the hydrolysis, L stand for the lysis, I stand for the isomerase, and L stand for the ligases. This is a 6 class in there. Particularly we have to study in the enzyme. Okay, we start in there. A systematically classification of enzyme has been developed by the International Enzyme Commission. Okay, the systematically classification, the enzyme has been developed by the International Enzyme Commission. International Enzyme Commission, they was starting there to the development of your the systemic classification of enzyme. The first time he was proposed this particularly classification of your the enzyme. Okay, International Enzyme Commission or International Unit of Biochemistry, not a commission, it's an international unit of biochemistry. The first time was proposed by this classification of your the enzyme. This classification is based on type of reaction catalyzed by the enzyme. This classification is based on the type of reaction catalyzed by enzyme. मैंने बताया ना, the whole of International Unit of Biochemistry, they having a classified on the basis of the reaction which having carried by your enzyme, carried as well as the catalyzed by the enzyme. On the basis of they having a classified into the 6 type, and they having selected the 6 major classes. There are the 6 major classes is selected in there. Okay, the each class is further divided into the subclasses and so on to describe the huge number of different enzyme catalyzed reaction. To particularly each classes is divided into the subclasses, and subclasses is also divided into the other many classes. The lots of enzyme is there, they having a catalyst the same type of the reaction, same type of this reaction. Okay, just flashback which is 6 major classes in there. First one is your the okay, सिर्फ आपको इतना याद रखना है, OTHLIL, OTHLIL, OTHLIL. O stand for oxidoreductase, T stands for the transferase, H stand for the hydrolysis, L stand for the lysis, I stand for the isomerases, and L stand for the ligases. This is a 6 class, OTHLIL. OTHLIL. Okay, the first one is there the oxidoreductase, means it's a name indicating in that this enzyme which is a carry or to catalyze the oxidation as well as the reduction reaction. And oxidation reduction reaction, there is called as a redox reaction. There is a called as a redox reaction. ओके मैंने आपको बताया था जब क्रेब्स साइकिल भी पढ़ा रहा था तो डीहाइड्रोजिनेस, जहाँ पे भी डीहाइड्रोजिनेस एंजाइम आया वहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस कैरी होती है, वहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस कैरी होती है. लाइक इज योर द लैक्टेट डीहाइड्रोजिनेस, अल्टेट डीहाइड्रोजिनेस, द लॉट्स ऑफ डीहाइड्रोजिनेस मटेरियल इज अ lots of dehydrogenase enzyme is a presenting in there, and dehydrogenase is one of the important enzyme in your body, because the whole of material like is your the fat, protein, amino acid, whatever it may be, they having a metabolite. ओके मेटाबोलाइट होने से पहले उनको ऑक्सीडेशन होना पड़ता है. आफ्टर द ऑक्सीडेशन दे आर हैविंग अ कन्वर्ट इनटू द एक्टिव, और मेटाबॉलिज्म इज अ टेक्स प्लेस देयर. First one is your the oxido reductase. Okay, first class. The reaction type is your the they having a catalyst. This enzyme catalyze the oxidation or reduction reaction, means the redox reaction. Second one is your the transferases. Second is your the transferases. Okay, name indicating in that the transfer. Okay, transfer means the transfer of your the amino group from one carbon to another carbon, as well as the one compound to the another compound, that is called as a transferase. The moving of chemical group, the moving of chemical group from the one carbon to the another carbon, as well as the one amino acid to the another amino acid, it's called as a transferase. It's called as a transferase. The example is your the hexokinase. Example is your the hexokinase. Third one is your the hydrolysis. Third one is your the hydrolysis. The name indicating in that this type of enzyme or this class of enzyme to catalyze the reaction of your the hydrolysis. Okay, how to hydrolysis? The bond cleavages with a transfer the function group of water. Bond cleavages हो जाता है with a transfer of functional group of your the water, that is your the hydrolysis. The example is there is your the lysosome, or sorry, lysozyme. It's your the lysozyme which having the example of your the enzyme class hydrolysis. The next one in there the lysases. Lysases, like this type of enzyme, they having a catalyst the non-hydrolytic bond cleavage. Non-hydrolytic bond cleavage and the breakdown of your the molecule. The example is your the fumarase. Example is your the fumarase. Next one is your the isomerases. Isomerases. Okay, you very well known about it. The isomerization is a takes place there. Okay, same compound, same carbon containing compound, but different in the configuration, means the change in the configuration. The intermolecular group transfer is called as the isomerization. The intermolecular group transfer, it's called as the isomerization. Okay, and this isomerization which is catalyzed by the enzyme triose phosphate isomerase. ओके कहाँ यूज़ हुआ था हमारा ट्रायोस फॉस्फेट आइसोमरेज इन अ ग्लाइकोलिसिस साइकिल. ग्लाइकोलिसिस साइकिल जो सेकंड फेज है स्प्लिटिंग फेज, स्प्लिटिंग फेज में जो सेकंड स्टेप है द पर्टिकुलरली डिहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन एंड 3 glycerophosphate both are the isomerase to each other with the help of this enzyme triose phosphate isomerase. Triose phosphate isomerase. And last one is your the ligases. Ligases means the synthesis of your the new covalent bond between the substrate using the ATP hydrolysis. The example is there the RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase, we discuss one by one what is in that particularly. Okay, the first one is your the oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase. Okay, first class. The catalyze, okay, name indicating in that they having a catalyze oxidation as well as the reduction process. Oxidation as well as the reduction process. See in that whatever in there, the catalyzed redox reaction can be categorized into the oxidase and reductase. Oxidase and reductase. Definitely the name indicating in there. More previously they catalyze electron transfer reaction. In this DAS, it's including the enzyme catalyze the oxidoreductase of your the methanol. Okay, lots of methanol, amine, amides group. methanol, amine, or means alcoholic group or hydroxylic group, particularly oxy group, then the methane group, amide group or amino group, they having a catalyzed by this system. Okay, oxidoreduction is a takes place these particularly groups. The alcohol dehydrogenase, acetyl CoA dehydrogenase. Okay, the example of your the oxidoreductase is your the alcohol dehydrogenase, acetyl CoA dehydrogenase, cytochrome oxidase, and you are the catalase. And you are the catalyst. Okay, this is a you are the oxido reduction. Name indicating in that the catalyst is catalyzed by the you are the oxidase and reductase or oxidation or reduction process. Okay, in example बताया मैंने alcohol dehydrogenase, acetyl CoA dehydrogenase, oxidation you are the catalyst. That the example. Okay, H2O2 plus H2O2 means the two molecule of your the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, they giving the two molecule of your the water, they form the two molecule of your the water and the one molecule of your oxygen, one molecule of your the oxygen. Okay, H2O2 first one is your the reduction, another one is your the oxidation. Both are the reaction, they are having a form the A substrate oxidation and B is your the reduction is a takes place there. Okay, vice versa reaction is a carry there. Here is this is your the first class of your the classification of enzyme. Next one is your the transferase. Next one is your the transferase. They having a catalyze the transfer or exchange of certain group among the substrate. It's called as a transferase. Means the transfer of your the amino group from the one amino acid to the another amino acid. This concept is called as a transamination. This concept is called as a transamination, and the enzyme which having the responsible or enzyme which having the catalyst like this shifting of your the functional group, the name of this enzyme is your the transferase. Name of the enzyme is your the transferase. Okay, clear? In these are included the enzyme catalyze the transfer of one carbon group, aldehyde or ketone residues, and acyl and glycosyl, alkyl, phosphorus, sulfur containing any group. They having a transfer from the one amino acid or one carbon containing compound to the another carbon containing compound. This process is called as a transferases. Transferase. The which enzyme which having catalyzed by the transamination process, the choline acetyl transferase, phospholipase, and you are the hexokinase. And you are the hexokinase. This particularly process of your the or enzyme of your the transferase. Okay, the example is your the ATP is a react with the D-hexose. ATP is a react with your the D-hexose, and there is a formation of your the phosphorylation is a takes place. Means the one phosphate molecule is a transfer in there. Okay, ATP का one phosphate molecule क्या हो रहा है कि transfer हो रहा है. They having a form of your the ADP and the dehydroxy 6 phosphate. Dehydroxy 6 phosphate like is your the A minus B plus C. Okay, the transferase of the molecule means the B molecule which having the transfer toward the C molecule means the A plus B minus C. That is your the transfer reaction. The next one in there the particularly hydrolysis. Okay, it's the enzyme classification third. Hydrolysis. They having accelerate to the hydrolysis of your the substrate. They having a accelerate the hydrolysis of the substrate. Okay, this catalyze the hydrolysis of their substrate by the adding constituent of. Okay, due to the adding of the some constituent, there is your the this process which having a catalyze in there. Hydrolysis process is a catalyze there by adding a some constituent in there. The water cross the bond, they split. Water cross the bond and they split. The substrate including ester, glycosyl, ether, peptide, acid anhydride, carbon single bond, carbon means the saturated chain, halides. Okay, phosphoamide bond. In this particularly bond, they having a break or hydrolysis is that takes place there with the help of enzyme lipases, beta galactosidase, arginase, trypsin, pepsin, and you are the plasmin. And you are the plasmin. The one example is there L-arginine plus water. When the L-arginine is a react with your the water, there is a form of your the L-arginine and your the urea is a formation there. And urea is a formation there, means the A minus B is a react with your the water, then the A minus H is a form, and to give the B minus OH moiety is a forming there. Okay, means the ionization is a takes place there particularly. Then the fourth one is your the lysis, the enzyme classification 4. Enzyme classification 4 is your the lysis. They having a promote the removal of group from the substrate to leave a double bond reaction or catalyze the reverse reaction. They having a lysis which having the removal of group, means the breakdown of your the group from the substance of your the leaving the double bond reaction, or catalyze it is a reverse reaction. Catalyze is a reverse reaction. In these are including the enzyme acting on the carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-oxygen single bond, carbon amino or nitro amino single bond, and your the sulfur and carbon and halides bond. They are having a highly breakdown or lysis that takes place there like this bond. Example is your the aldolase. You very well known about it. देखो ऊपर क्या लिखा है, इट्स अ रिवर्स रिएक्शन. और अल्डोलेस क्या कर रहा था, ग्लाइकोलिसिस में स्प्लिटिंग का वर्क कर रहा था, स्प्लिट कर रहा था ना, अल्डोलेस, फ्यूमेरेस एंड हिस्टिडेस. Example is your the L maltase which having give to the fumarate and you are the water molecule. It's your the reversible action there. Next one is your the isomerases. Isomerases which having the facilitate to the conversion of your the isomer, geometrical isomer or optical isomer. First, what is the meaning of isomer? Isomer means the same compound, same carbon containing compound but different in a configuration, or configuration change because of the isomerization is a takes place there, and the enzyme which having the catalyst this reaction is known as the isomerases. Known as the isomerases. The alanine racemase, okay, cis transfer isomerase, retinine isomerase, glucose phosphate isomerase. This is an example of your the isomerase. Okay, the one example is a giving there. D glucose 6 phosphatase is a convert into the D fructose 6 phosphatase. Both are the carbon 6 containing compound. Both are the carbon 6 containing compound but different in a configuration. Because of the different in configuration, there is your the two new metabolites is a form there. Okay, all trans resistance and 11 cis retinine. All trans retinine and 11 cis retinine. The 11 cis retinine is a very essential enzyme, very essential compound. Not an enzyme, it's very essential compound for the vision. For the vision, A minus B minus C, it's a reversible A minus C minus B. This is your the isomerase. The next one is your the ligases. Next one is your the ligases. The catalysis, the synthesis of two molecule substrate into the one molecule compound with the release agent or release energy. Okay, simply the catalyst the synthesis of your the two molecule substrate into the one molecule compound. एक molecule से दो molecule of substrate formation करना, it's called as a ligases. It's called as a ligases with a releasing of your the energy. With a releasing of your energy. These are the enzyme catalyzing the linking together or two compound utilizing the energy made available due to the simultaneously breaking of your the pyrophosphate bond in a ATP or a similar compound. They having a addition as well as the breakdown of your the bond in there is a help to the generation of your the energy or formation of your the energy. This category include the enzyme catalysis reaction forming the carbon oxygen single bond, carbon sulfur single bond, okay, carbon amide single bond, carbon carbon single bond, means the saturated unsaturated carbon chain there is a catalyzed by this particularly ligases enzyme. Acetyl CoA synthetase, glutamine synthetase, okay, synthetase यानी क्या, to synthesis, synthesis यानी क्या, to synthesis, okay. Example, ATP is a react with your the acetate and coenzyme A. This is a your the which type of reaction? This is a your the Krebs cycle reaction. They having a giving the AMP, okay, adenine monophosphate plus pyrophosphate and your the acetyl CoA. Acetyl CoA is your the starting product in your the beta oxidation. Beta oxidation. Okay, this is a sixth class of your the. This is a sixth class of your the enzyme. Okay, first one is your the oxidoreductase. ओथ लील याद रखना है. फर्स्ट वन इज योर द ऑक्सीडोरेडक्टेज, सेकंड वन इज योर द ट्रांसफरेज, थर्ड वन इज योर द हाइड्रोलेस, फोर्थ वन इज योर द lysases, fifth one is your the isomerase, and last one is your the ligases. This is a sixth class classification of enzyme, okay, on the basis of your the IUB, International Unit of your Biochemistry. International Unit of your the Biochemistry. Okay, this is a sixth class. Then the next one is your the mechanism of action of enzyme. Mechanism of action of enzyme. You very well known about it. How to enzyme is a working there. Okay. Up we were study in the last lecture. The enzyme is your the two types. One is your the rigid and another one is your the non-rigid. Okay. Rigid यानी क्या? स्पेसिफिक शेप उसका पहले से ही फिक्स रहेगा, परमानेंटली फिक्स रहता है वो स्पेसिफिक शेप, और वही साइड का सबस्ट्रेट यदि आके उसे बाइंड होगा तो ही वो एक्शन शो करेगा. इट्स योर द रिजिड. नॉन रिजिड क्या रहता है? एंजाइम का स्ट्रक्चर कुछ भी हो, सबस्ट्रेट जैसे उसे बाइंड होता है एक्टिव साइड पे बाइंड होने के बाद सबस्ट्रेट एंजाइम क्या करता है कि सबस्ट्रेट का जो लेवल है, जो साइज है, उसके हिसाब से खुद को मॉडिफाई कर लेता है और वहाँ पे कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म करता है. ओके. अब एक बात बता दूं आपको कि एंजाइम कैसे वर्क करता है. एंजाइम सिंपली सबस्ट्रेट क्या होता है कि सबस्ट्रेट आपके एक्टिव साइड पे आके बाइंड होता है. एक्टिव साइड पे आके जैसे बाइंड हो गया वहाँ पे क्या करता है कि कैस्केड फॉर्म करता है. कैस्केड यानी क्या? कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म करता है सबस्ट्रेट एंड यूर द एंजाइम. जैसे सबस्ट्रेट और एंजाइम का कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म हो गया, देयर इज यूर द accelerate the chemical reaction or to formation of your the any reactant, whatever it may be. Okay, it's a clear. This is a your the mechanism of action, like this particularly react your the enzyme and substrate molecule. Here is we have to study the two models. Okay, first one is your the key model. Key और log आपको पता है कि specific log को specific key ही लगती है. This model have a particularly published by the Fischer. Okay, published by the Emil Fischer in your the 1898. 1898 में Fischer ने first time publish किया था. Okay, there they have to take the one rigid enzyme. What is the meaning of rigid? The enzyme which having the permanently fix its active site, और उसका shape permanently fix रहता है active site का. Okay, and second one is your the induced fit model. The induced fit model we are having a published the Koshland. The Koshland who was the published this particularly induced fit model. The both of this model they having a enumerate the how to action of your the enzyme. We discussing in there one by one. First one is your the Fischer lock and key model. Why called as a Fischer? Because the Fischer who has the published this particularly concept. Okay, lock and key model मतलब क्या होगा? स्पेसिफिक लॉक को स्पेसिफिक की ही लगती है, वैसा ही स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम को स्पेसिफिक सबस्ट्रेट ही लगेगा. ओके, एंड दिस एंजाइम विच हैविंग द रिजिड इन नेचर, नॉट इटसेल्फ चेंजेबल एज अ सबस्ट्रेट. जैसे ही बाइंड होता है वो खुद चेंज नहीं होगा. इट्स अ रिजिड. यदि देखो आपको डायग्राम में क्लियर दिख रहा है, एंजाइम का शेप जो है वो प्रॉपरली सेटअप है, तो वहाँ पे वही जो एक्टिव साइड वहाँ पे फिट होगा वही सबस्ट्रेट वहाँ पे आके बाइंड होगा, और वो वही बाइंड होगा तभी वो बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन फॉर्म करेगा. मीन्स स्पेसिफिक लॉक को स्पेसिफिक की ही लगती है, ना कि अनदर की लगती है. वैसे ही स्पेसिफिक एंजाइम का जो एक्टिव साइड है, जो शेप है उसका एक्टिव साइड का, वहाँ पे उसी शेप का सबस्ट्रेट काट के बाइंड होगा तो ही मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन शो होंगी, अदरवाइज नहीं होंगी. ओके, सी as a known as a template model proposed by the Emil Fischer in 1898. In 1898, the Fischer was coined by this theory, coined by this mechanism of action in 1898. In 1898, it's a name like a key and lock model or lock and key model. Lock and key model. Okay. The union between the substrate and the enzyme takes place in the active site more or less in a manner, okay, in which the key is a fit, a lock, and the result is a formation of the enzyme substrate complex. Enzyme substrate complex, and this is the enzyme is the rigid in nature. This is the particularly non-rigid in a nature. Sorry, not a rigid, non-rigid means not a manageable. Not a मैनेजेबल. ओके, स्पेसिफिक की स्पेसिफिक लॉक का जैसे स्ट्रक्चर फिक्स रहता है, जैसे आपने की प्लेस किया, देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स. जैसे आपने पर्टिकुलरली रोटेट किया, उसे रोटेट करने के बाद क्या हो जाता है कि आपका लॉक ओपन हो जाता है. सेम कंसेप्ट इज हियर. सेम कंसेप्ट इज हियर पर्टिकुलरली. ओके, दिस इज योर द फीचर लॉक एंड मॉडल. ओके, इट्स अ क्लियर. देखो आपको डायग्राम में क्लियर दिख रहा है कि here is your the rigid, here is your the enzyme is your the rigid means specific shape उसने अप्लाई कर लिया है, वो शेप अब उसका चेंज नहीं होगा. when the enzyme, when the substrate is a bind to the active site of your the enzyme. ओके, सबस्ट्रेट हमारा देखो यस जो है वो क्लियरली दिख रहा है. सबस्ट्रेट के दोनों सबस्ट्रेट देख लो, एक सर्कल है और एक आपका पर्टिकुलरली स्क्वायर है, और एंजाइम में भी देख लो वही दो शेप्स है. एक्टिव साइट यदि दूसरे शेप रहते तो वो बाइंड नहीं होते, क्योंकि दे आर विंगर रिजिड इन नेचर. रिजिड होने के वजह से पर्टिकुलरली स्पेसिफिक शेप उनका और परमानेंट शेप उस एंजाइम का रहता है एक्टिव साइट पे, और तो वो वहीं पे ही बाइंड होंगे. जैसे सबस्ट्रेट आपके एंजाइम को बाइंड होता है, देयर इज योर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द कॉम्प्लेक्स, और कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन होने के बाद दे आर हैविंग अ एक्सेलरेटेड रिएक्शन एज वेल एज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द रिएक्टेंट. दैट इज योर द फर्स्ट मॉडल इज योर द फिक्सचर की एंड लॉक मॉडल. The next one is your the induced fit model. Next one is your the induced fit model. Okay, this model was published the Daniel Koshland in 1958, and 1958 the first time the Daniel Koshland is a proposed by this concept. What is there? The particularly enzyme is your the non-rigid, मतलब फिक्स नहीं रहता है एंजाइम का एक्टिव साइट का शेप. देखो आपको दिख रहा है जो मैंने 4 फॉर्मेट लिए. ओके, उसमें क्लियरली दिख रहा है आपको कि फर्स्ट जो स्टेप है उसमें क्या एंजाइम नॉन रिजिड है, मतलब एंजाइम का कोई स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है एक्टिव साइट पे. जैसे सबस्ट्रेट बाइंड होता है उससे सेकंड में देखो सबस्ट्रेट जैसे बाइंड होता है तो एंजाइम क्या करता है कि सबस्ट्रेट का जो शेप है वो शेप के हिसाब से पर्टिकुलरली एक्टिव साइट प्रिपेयर कर लेता है. एक्टिव साइट प्रिपेयर कर लेता है. थर्ड स्टेप में आपको क्लियर दिख रहा है कि एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट बाइंड हो गया है. क्यों बाइंड हो गया है? एंजाइम आपका नॉन रिजिड था, सबस्ट्रेट जैसे एक्टिव साइट पे आया तो सबस्ट्रेट ने एंजाइम ने क्या किया कि सबस्ट्रेट के शेप का पर्टिकुलरली आपका एक्टिव साइट का मॉडल प्रिपेयर कर लिया, और जैसे मॉडल प्रिपेयर कर लिया देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द कॉम्प्लेक्स. ओके, कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा, और जैसे ही सबस्ट्रेट अपनी रिएक्शन शो कर देगा, कैटालिसिस हो जाएगा, जो भी रिएक्टेंट फॉर्म करना था रिएक्टेंट जैसे फॉर्म हो गया तो वो जो सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल रहेगा वो एंजाइम से वहाँ से निकल जाएगा और डिग्रेडेशन हो जाएगा. दैट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ इट. दैट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ इट, एंड दिस theory was particularly explained by the Daniel Koshland. What is in there? The more recent study have revealed that the process is a much more likely to involve a induced fit model. और एक मॉडल से जो थर्ड मैकेनिज्म आता है सबस्ट्रेट लेवल इंड्यूस्ड फिट मॉडल. ओके, उसे क्या करता है कि एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट को और एंजाइम को क्या करता है कि स्ट्रेच किया जाता है. स्ट्रेचिंग इंड्यूस्ड फिट मॉडल बोलते हैं उसे. दिस इंड्यूस्ड फिट मॉडल फर्स्ट coined by this concept is your the Daniel Koshland in 1958. According to this exposure, enzyme to the substrate cause the change in a enzyme. देखो change in a enzyme substrate के हिसाब से enzyme खुद को change करता है, and which cause the active site to the change. Definitely active site की जो शेप है वो डेफिनेटली चेंज हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एक्टिव साइट की शेप क्यों चेंज होता है, क्योंकि सबस्ट्रेट का जो पर्टिकुलरली साइज है वो हिसाब से पर्टिकुलरली एंजाइम खुद को चेंज कर देता है। एंजाइम खुद को क्या करता है कि चेंज कर देता है, और एंजाइम जैसे खुद को चेंज कर देगा टू अलाउ द सबस्ट्रेट टू बाइंड। ओके, सबस्ट्रेट को बाइंडिंग साइड पे पर्टिकुलरली अलाउ करेंगे, और जैसे अलाउ हो गया वहाँ पे क्या होगा कि एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट का कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म हो जाएगा। कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म होने के बाद वो रिएक्शन एक्सेलरेट करेगा, और जो रिएक्टेंट फॉर्मेशन करना है वो रिएक्टेंट फॉर्मेशन करेगा, रैदर देन वहाँ से पर्टिकुलरली निकल के वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे चले जाएंगे डिग्रेडेशन होने के लिए, वो सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल चले जाएगा। दैट इज यूर द mechanism of action of your the enzyme. Okay, this is a two mechanism of enzyme. See, that's the induced feed model. अब ये देखो एक्टिव साइड सबस्ट्रेट का साइज डिफरेंट है, और ये पर्टिकुलरली एंजाइम का एक्टिव साइड का शेप डिफरेंट है। ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जैसे ही वो मॉलिक्यूल सबस्ट्रेट जो एक्टिव साइड है वहाँ पे जैसे ही सबस्ट्रेट आता है तो सबस्ट्रेट एक्टिव साइड पे बाइंड होते जाता है, और एंजाइम क्या करता है कि उसके शेप का पर्टिकुलरली क्या करता है कि उसके शेप का एक्टिव साइड फॉर्म करता है, वो सबस्ट्रेट वहाँ पे बाइंड होगा, एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट का पर्टिकुलरली कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म होगा, और देयर इज योर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ और कैटलिस्ट ऑफ योर द बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन. Okay, this is your the two models we have to study here. Okay, the next one is your the enzyme kinetic. The enzyme kinetic we was please study in 12. The enzyme kinetic we will resume this topic in a next lecture. Thank you, students.